All right, guys, in this video, we're going to show you how to get Cash App really easy. And actually, you can just basically get free money for using it. So you guys can get a quick free 20 bucks. But first things first, let's get into that verse of the day. So this is one of my favorite verses. You guys probably remember Tim Tebow having it all the time. But Philippians 4:13, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Guys, if you ever feel weak or you feel you can't do it or you can't keep going, pray to God. God's there to help you. He can push through. Everything can be done through him. Guys, remember, he is our king and he can save. All right, so back to the video, how to make a quick Cash App. So now we're on the Cash App account. We already downloaded the Cash App. I just sent over the information so I can download it. But 928. 7050, hit next, put that in, we'll get a confirmation code, put it in the messages, and you just add your debit card number. Let's make a name, Lee Coop. We'll make a cash tag, let's say Bitcoin Mom. All right, so she's the Bitcoin Mom. So we'll do 33556. Enter the zip code, current address. So I already got the invite, so let's hit continue, don't allow, and that's it. So welcome to Cash App. Might need to go to the referral. Here it is, I'm sorry. And please enter the referral code that I had. So enter that referral, paste, enter, paste it from there. So that's the referral code, great. Now we're going to go back to the other account. So here's on this account. Now I have the invitation bonus pending. So now it's 15 bucks right now. So I'm going to send 300 to Lee Coop. So we'll send her, I think it's like 30 bucks. So just on the safe side, we'll just send 120 bucks. Pay. So I'm going to pay her. So now it sends her the payment. Sent once she completes the payment. So now I go back on to this Cash App. All right, so accept, confirm, we'll deposit, Cash App, we'll send you 5 bucks once you've sent a total of 5. So now I got that, received it. So now let's go to my account, 120 bucks, and it was received. So now I just got the $50 bonus on my Cash App. You can see plus 15. It's pending right now, but it'll go through and you just wait. So that's how you get a quick 20 bucks, 5 bucks invitation bonus for trying Cash App. And then you also get a $15 bonus if you already set it up from your own Cash App. So a total of 20 bucks. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Cash App's a pretty neat app, so you can play around with it. My favorite thing about it is buying Bitcoin on it. So again, thanks for watching and enjoy your day. Thanks.